for the half kneeling single arm press. The reason we're going down here is to really get you using the front of that hip, locking out the hip flexor so you can stay in a good position. Prevents you from arching back, so I want you to think about pushing the hips forward, locking the rib cage down, and then pressing straight up and back. I'm pressing slightly back behind my head, and I'm going on the same side as my down knee. So my right knee's down, right hand's got the weight, hips forward, abs tight. Just do all of them on one side and then you can switch.